Happy New Year, everyone. I have a very special treat today. Martha Surya of Surya Spa, who is an Ayurvedic healer, and I take it from me when I tell you I have seen her myself, and you really helped me personally, and so many of our friends. You are incredible.
Thank you.
A gift to all of us. So today, Martha is going to show us how to make mung bean pancakes and why we should be eating mung beans. Martha, why should we eat mung beans?
Mung beans are high in protein, very easy to digest, and they are also why I use them when we do the Pancakes, which is the treatments that we do for detoxifying. We eat this because it's so easy to digest and so easy to detoxify, and there's a way to get in a clean way of getting protein in your body, and it will give you so much energy also.
Wonderful. Yeah. Amazing. So if you're gluten-free, this is a great recipe as well.
Yeah.
Or vegan.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you have right here for us? What is that?
So what I did is I just put the mung beans. They will look just like this.
Okay.
Like dry mung beans.
All right.
And normally this kind of mung beans, I really like these ones, the yellow split mung bean.
Okay.
So this mung bean should, if you see it in the original way, is like a little, they are green. They are together and they are green. So what I use these ones because we take the skin out.
Oh,
so the skin makes it more difficult to digest.
Sure.
So when the skin is out, then it becomes like this.
Okay.
Also, it's faster to cook.
Oh, great.
Because you can make mung bean soup in like 20 minutes if you have this kind. If you have the green mung bean, it will take longer.
Okay.
It will take
so
longer.
go for the yellow split mung beans. These are better to digest, easier to cook.
Yes.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do, what I did last night, is like we put the mung beans in here, and I put a little bit of rice because I wanted to do it with mung beans and rice.
Okay.
So I put mung beans, rice, and it used to be like half of the bottle, and then I just put really hot water.
Really hot water, okay.
And then I put the lid on, and I just went to sleep.
And you let it sit overnight. Okay. And then you get up in the morning and?
So the next day you're gonna take this, you're gonna open this, and then we're gonna put it in the strainer, and we're gonna kind of rinse it.
All right.
So we're gonna put new water, and then we're gonna blend it. So we're gonna just put the mung beans. And this time I made more mung beans than rice because I like it to be higher in protein. So I just put the mung beans, and then I'm just cleaning them. Just rinse them. Also, because at night, the mung beans, when you leave them overnight, they are much easier to digest when they are sprouted. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, we rinse them, we massage them, and then normally when I do this, I do mantras to put energy, vibration on them.
Love that.
Okay, so normally I do the Gayatri mantra and what I cook, and so I will put that. And sometimes I put, when we do the mung beans, we'll put the other cooking mantras that I have. Now I'm gonna add water, okay? So this is very important, the amount of water that you put. If you put too much water or too less water, then it's not gonna be the right consistency. And that's what most people fail on the pancakes. So now we're gonna put water, and I'm putting temperature water, I'm not putting hot water. So the idea is that, you see like right there, I think I put too much. So we're gonna take a little bit. So it has to be like, right, the same amount of water, the same amount of mung beans. Okay, now we're gonna blend this. Right now we're gonna make them for breakfast, so we're gonna put things that are not so savory. But you can also do them for lunch. So when you do it for lunch, you do exactly the same. Okay. And instead of putting something like cinnamon or nutmeg or cardamom or what else we put? Oh, ginger. Then I'll put cilantro, basil, rosemary.
And you add it straight to the blender all the way
Straight
together.
to the blender.
Okay, so right now what are you going to add? Some cinnamon? You want cinnamon?
So now we're going to add some cinnamon.
We've got some cinnamon.
So we're going to put for this amount, we're going to put just like a little bit.
It's like a quarter teaspoon
like a quarter of
almost.
a teaspoon.
Right, and then do you want nutmeg?
And then I'm going to put a little nutmeg. So we can do like 3 shakes.
And then, so if my kids love chocolate chips, would that just be a no-no? Would it mess up the consistency? Could I use carrot chips?
I will not put it in here. I will put it when I cook.
Okay.
When I cook them, because otherwise they're gonna get all blended into
Okay.
it. And it will be chocolate. Maybe we can try it.
That's okay. Let's stick to your. Let's stick to your. Let's stick to what you have. And we have a little ginger.
Ginger. No, I'm not gonna put ginger this time. I'm gonna put it for the savory. But now this is very important. I put the baking powder. Baking powder is something you can put in or not. So the baking powder you can put again like a quarter of a teaspoon. And this, what it's gonna do is make them more crispy.
Oh, great.
Right, more crispy. If you put baking soda, it will make it more fluffy.
Okay.
If you put baking powder, it will make them more crispy.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Like
so
crepe style, like that.
All depends what you want.
All right.
Okay, so it's ready. We're gonna blend them.
So we have our batter ready to go.
Batter ready to go. You can see. Perfect. You see, like it's kind of a little bit thick, like a smoothie, I would say.
Okay, perfect.
And now we're gonna go and make the pancakes. So now we're gonna actually make the pancakes. Look how easy it is. So we can use ghee. That you can buy it at Surya Spa, or you can buy it pretty much nowadays. You can find it in any way. This is our partner company, Ancient Organics. And it's so beautiful. This ghee tastes unbelievable. If you you haven't not tried it, please try it, because the smell and the taste of it is so nutty. It doesn't taste like ghee almost. It's incredible. So I use the ghee, or sometimes I use coconut oil. So now we're gonna put a little bit of ghee in here. And I'm gonna put the medium heat. And I'm gonna wait until it melts. So we're getting the ghee melt. And now I'm gonna put the so I just put a little bit. And then I spread it around to make the pancake. Okay, in the meantime, this time I'm making them with pears. But normally I do them with whatever fruit is in season. I say Ayurveda is pretty, emphasizes a lot of eating what is in season, because the earth will produce what you need at this moment. For example, we are starting to the fall winter season, so a lot of pears and apples are coming to eat. So the pears are really good for your lungs. And that's why people tend to get more flus, more colds. So that's what pears grow in this time of the year more, because they are for that. And if you see a pear, it's actually the shape of a lung. The 2 lungs, the shape of the lung. They're really beautiful. So what we did is we cut the pears in like half moons, and then we cooked them in a little bit of coconut oil or ghee. So we caramelized these ones. And so normally I put them there, caramelize, and put a little bit of the coconut oil and a little bit of water and let it boil down so they get like that.
The ultimate taste tester here. Camille Yadigar is going to taste Martha's amazing mung bean pancake to tell us, does it really taste as good as she says? Dun, da, da, da. Let's see.
Okay, I need a little bit of help.
Would you like me to help you cut it, love? Here. Okay, so are we going to do it with the pear and the chocolate chips? You want to try it out?
Sure.
Here we go. A little bit of everything.
Little bit of everything.
It looks so good.
Thank you.
The magic blow.
You got it all in your mouth? Be okay? What do you think? Good? I think we found a new breakfast. Amazing. Thank you so much to Martha Surya from Surya Spa for sharing with us how to add in some Ayurveda into our life and how to eat healthier and how to live longer and feed our kids.
Feel better.
And feel better.
Yes.
Love it.
Yeah.
All of the links are below. Surya Spa. You can visit Martha. You can go in and see her. She can share all her recipes, and we're going to leave all the links below. All right? Happy New Year.
Mommy.
Happy New Year.